Well, leaders of CHKD have a message for families after a measles case was reported in Virginia Beach.
And doctors are now in the process of reaching out to those who may have been exposed after the child visited CHKD hospital in late August. 10 on your side's Michael Rinker has this report.
After a child in Virginia Beach tested positive for measles at the end of August, Hampton Roads doctors are now warning families that could have been exposed. The Virginia Department of Health has listed 3 CHKD facilities as the exposure areas, and now those doctors are trying to track down families at risk. The Virginia Department of Health says a child visited CHKD in Norfolk on August 30th, staying through September 1st at both the emergency department and within the hospital. According to the CDC, children are the most at risk of measles, making up more than half of the roughly 1,400 cases reported in the U.S. this year. Doctors say the vaccine is the best way to stay clear of the virus and to protect those who are medically unable to get it.
It's the only way we can treat and avoid measles. Very, very infectious. But we know there's some children who are too young to get the vaccine. We also know that there's some children who haven't gotten the vaccine, as well as if you are severely immunocompromised, that is also a patient population that we might need to treat.
For those exposed, measles first shows up as a fever or cough. Then about 4 days later, a red spotty rash appears, and that is the telltale sign that it's measles. In an interview released by CHKD, doctors say these symptoms are avoidable thanks to the vaccine.
We have eliminated some of these things like smallpox from the planet because of our ability to vaccinate. And unfortunately, it's become a political hot potato. There's good science and good, strong evidence that vaccination saves lives and vaccination prevents illness. And measles is one of those, and it definitely is very effective and very safe.
Not every case of measles is severe, but those that are can be life-threatening during an infection and down the line, from a brain infection to a loss of critical functions.
That's one of the big reasons why measles vaccination was done, was to help prevent those occurrences later in life, because we cannot predict which child would have that happen to them when they became an adult.
Along with the CHKD facilities in Norfolk, the Virginia Beach location, as well as the CVS pharmacy on Laskin Road, have been listed as possible exposure areas. The CHKD here in Norfolk says you can call them directly if you believe you were here during the hours of exposure, and you can find those hours on our website at wavy.com. They also say to check with your pediatrician to make sure that your child is vaccinated. In Norfolk, Michael Rinker, 10 on your side.